Welcome back to my channel. And here we are going to use 3D modeling to make the solid block of this object, whose orthographic views are given in third angle projection. As you can see here, this is the plan, this is the front elevation, and this is the end elevation, which is actually left end elevation. So we are going to put this part together to obtain the asymmetric block of this object on this AutoCAD page. So what we are going to do first is to produce the S shape without this rectangle in the plan. That's what we are going to do. Then we extrude it. Okay, so distance from here to here is 56, and from here to here is 14. So which means that distance from here to here will give us what? Will give us 42. So that is what we are going to do. And the total from here to here, so we have it to be 20 plus 20, that's 40, and plus 20, that's 60, then that's 65. So that is what we are going to. So we are going to switch to, we come to our coordinate here, and we switch to the top, to the top. So we come here and we switch to the top. But before that, I want to have a new color. So let me choose another color. So just type COL, enter on the keyboard. Then let's make use of this. Let's make use of this. I want this color. Let's use blue color. So let's use blue color. Okay, so now, so let's start. So we come to draw tool and we click on polyline. Then we start like this. So here we draw the line. So that's 65. So 65. So enter. Then we have what? We have 14. So enter. Then we go here. So by what? That would be by that's so 45, by 45. So enter. So then we come here. So by 42. Then we move here by 20. Then we join this together. So you can just enter. So just type C on your key, then press enter. So that's all. So we are going to extrude this part, and we're going to extrude it by 45 upward. So we click on extrude, or just type EXT. So enter. Then so click or select this line or this object. So press enter key. So then you can take it up by 45. By 45, enter. All right. So that is the object, as you can see here. Now, so other part of this object is this rectangle that we see here in the plan. This rectangle that we see here in the plan, and this part also gives us a rectangle in the front elevation. Okay, let me just explain something to you here. So this rectangle that we see here in the front elevation is this particular rectangle. Okay, then this L shape that we have here in the plan is this L shape that we have up here as the top. Okay, then this part that we have here that gives us rectangle in the plan, it also gives us rectangle in the front elevation, but in the end elevation, it gives us a right angle triangle. That's what it gives us. So this is what we are going to do. So we are going to construct this right angle triangle. We construct this right angle triangle, then we extrude it. So, but if you look at how it looks, it's on the left side. So on the left side, so what I'm going to do, I need to switch now to the left side. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so I'm going to select this. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to draw it now. So we come to draw and we click on the polyline. So we draw a vertical line like this. So the distance is 45. So 45. Enter, then it goes forward like this. So it goes forward like this by 42, by 42. So enter. Okay, so then for us to draw this line, we are going to put off auto mode. So just put it off. So we don't put it off, we'll not be able to draw the line. So we join this together. So just click. Okay, so that's it. So right click, enter. So now we are going to extrude it by 15. So this time from here to here, 15 as shown here in the plan. So we are going to extrude it. So EXT So enter. So then select it. Select it. So press enter. So we have what? We have this by 15. So this is 15. Enter. All right. So we have this now. Then okay, so we just need to place this here at this corner. So we are going to change the view to 2D wireframe. So 2D wireframe. Okay, so then we are going to move this. So just enter a command that is move. So press enter. So click on or select this object. So press enter. So this corner, so we are taking it. So we are joining with this corner. So just click. So it's already there. So we have done that. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to create this circle. We are going to create this circle. Okay, so to do that, so I want to take the view back to realistic. So realistic. Okay, so now, so let's get the circle. It's also for this circle that we can see here for the whole, or a circle as you can see it here, is on the front part. On the front part, so I'm going to switch now. So from coordinate, I'm going to switch to the front. Okay, so then I'm going to come to draw here. Then I will select a circle. So I'm going to draw a circle. So circle. The radius of the circle is 10. So diameter is 20. So just type 10. Then we are going to extrude it. So EXT for extrude, enter. So select the object to extrude, which is this object. So press enter on your keyboard. Then distance is 14. We extrude it by 14. So enter. All right, so we have this now. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to change the view back to 2D wireframe. So we'll change the view back to 2D wireframe. So as you can see here, because I need to locate the center of the circle here on this object. As we have here that the distance from this point to this point is 22.5, while from this point to the center here, we have it to be, that would be 15 because we have 5 from here to here. Then from here to here is 10. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. So I'm going to come to draw, then select line. Then I'm going to come here, then go up by 22.5. So enter. Then I will come to this point. Okay. So so that is so that's going to be, so we just click here. So have that point. So escape. Then I will repeat the line again. So repeat the line. So and then I will come to this point. So go in by 15. So enter. Then okay, so I go in by 15. Okay, then I will come down here. So click. All right, so right click, enter. So this is the center of the circle. So we need to move this circle now. Okay, so you type move and then enter. So select the object to move. This is the object to move. So select it, then press enter key on the keyboard. Then from this center here now, so now bring it to this center here. So bring it to this center here, click. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to erase these lines. So I want to erase these lines. So don't forget that we started this line from here. And also for this, I started it from here. So I'm going to right click, so erase it. Okay, so we have erased the line. So what we need to do now is to switch back to realistic. So there is it. Okay, so now let's see what we are going to do. So the cylindrical part that we produce is here. So we are going to subtract it now. So subtract, so SUB, so enter. So select the main object, this is the main object, select it. So press enter key, then we are going to select this again, press enter. So the object, we have removed it, we have created the hole that we have in this object. But these two parts, they are separated and we have to join them together. So what we are going to do, we are going to unionize them. Just type UNI, that is for union. Press enter key on the keyboard, select them one by one, then press enter key. So we have them, so they have become one, as you can see here. So this is the object as we have done. It's as simple as we have done it here, using 3D modeling to put this part together to obtain a block, so which is an isometric view of the object. Thank you, and keep on practicing. God bless you.
Are you done?
Yes.
I think that